Hey, what's up guys? It is top tweaks time. Now that we have the Unc0ver jailbreak for iOS 12.1.2, let me show you guys 30 awesome things that you can install once jailbroken. So, if you guys want the full tweak list, definitely check out our Best Tech Info article. It's going to be dynamically updated, so we'll be continually adding more tweaks as we figure out which ones actually work. But like I said, there are 30 tweaks that we have tested before recording this video. If you guys want to check them out and install them for yourselves, some of these are pretty sweet. Let's go ahead and start off directly within Cydia. So there are three major ones here that I want to talk about. The first one I talked about in my last video called Swipe for More, that lets you queue up multiple packages at the same time to install or uninstall. Now, another one that I want to talk about is called Flame. So when you guys go to edit and add sources, you actually have an option to use the batch mode. Now, anything that is in your clipboard, any sources that you have, you can actually have multiple. It will automatically add all of those sources for you. Okay, so moving on. Those are two that I wanted to talk about. Now, another major one, if you guys can see this right here, it's kind of hard to see, but up in the top right, I have 33 packages installed, and that one is achieved by tweak count 2. All right, so let's take a step back and go to the home screen, and let me show you guys what I have going on right here. Well, I have Boxy 3 for this custom icon layout right here. I have allow touches on page dots, so I can actually touch right here where the page dots were. And to get rid of the page dots and the icon labels, I actually used clean home screen. Now, to get my custom theming going on, I'm using the Lotus theme, and this is achieved by the tweak called Snowboard. At the very bottom, I have Floaty Dock to get the iPad-style dock on my iPhone. Now, as you guys might have noticed, my dock is also pretty dark, as well as my widgets over here, as well as my control center by a little bit. Well, that is achieved entirely by one tweak called Noctis 12, which was just updated today as well. Another dark mode tweak that's pretty awesome is called Eclipse 10 or Eclipse X, and that pretty much brings dark mode to any and every application on iOS 12 now. So we get an iOS 13 feature ahead of time. Now, while we're in the Messages app, I'll go ahead and pull my keyboard up right here and show you guys that bar emoji does work as well. All right, well, taking a step back once more, back to the home screen, one thing that I did show you a little preview of was Better CC 11 or XI to get this awesome control center layout. Now, within this top toggle at the top as well, I also have Real CC, which will disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth permanently instead of returning on after 24 hours, and that's achieved by Real CC. Now, another tweak that I have right here, it's an awesome control center platter. If I double click that right there, this one is called Power Module and lets you easily respring, enter safe mode, reboot, power down, etc. And that's right in your control center, so that one's really handy to have. On the home screen, I have a battery percent X for the iPhone 10. I've also tested Auto Unlock X as well to unlock your device once it's recognized. Unfortunately, I guess I don't have it installed right now, but I did test it. It does work. Another one for the iPhone 10 is tap time, so you can see the date when you tap on the time right there. Now, very lastly for this one, you all have probably been wondering what it is. Now, this is a fluid widget, and it's in the Best Tech Info article again, but this one is pretty sweet. Again, we have Cylinder creating these awesome page-to-page animations. Now, the fluid widget is actually enabled by Zen HTML, so that works perfectly fine to add other widgets to your home screen as well. It's just crazy how many tweaks work. Now, one that I actually can't demo is because I only have an iPhone 10 that's jailbroken right now, is called Fluidity. Now, this brings the iPhone 10's gestures by swiping up the control center in the top right to older devices like the iPhone 7, 6S, and the iPhone 8. Now, one of my favorite ones is supported right out of the box. It's called Short Look, and this is an awesome notification preview. If I just click send a test notification, that is exactly what it looks like. Now, it normally won't disappear that quickly. It's just sending a test notification. But as you guys can see, Short Look looks absolutely incredible on iOS 12. And even the lock screen right here looks great with dark mode. This tweak fixes a major problem that annoys absolutely everyone. This has to be my favorite volume HUD replacement. It's called Ultrasound, and it looks just like that. That looks great, guys. Let me know what you think down below. So one that you guys might have seen when I was scrolling through is called Cask to give these awesome animations for any list in iOS. Now, one of my favorite ones that I actually had to disable while recording is called Smart Low Power Mode. I guess it already re-enabled itself. It basically enables low power mode when your device is plugged in and charging automatically, so it will charge even faster. I usually have that off so you guys can see it a little bit better, but it already turned itself back on because I have it plugged in. Another one, if you guys want to change your carrier logo from T-Mobile LTE to something else, and this one works only on the iPhone 6s to the iPhone 8 right now, Zeppelin, that tweak is the best way to do it. You can add whatever you want in replace of the carrier logo. Now, I will end on a final note to help everyone out that is on an iOS 12 beta. The tweak called No Beta Alert will get rid of that beta prompt that comes up every single time when you open up your device. So, for everyone that upgraded to iOS 12.1.1 Beta 3, your struggle has ended. You can now install No Beta Alert to get rid of that prompt. Whew, did you guys keep up with that? That was 30 major awesome tweaks that are fully supported right out of the box on the Unc0ver Jailbreak for iOS 12. Again, this is just really a sneak peek at what is to come. Some awesome tweaks still need to be updated. One that I'm looking forward to is Bazzy at the top to have my battery indication right on my notch. There are so many tweaks that we covered last year that could receive a major update for this iOS 12 jailbreak, but it's just amazing to see how many tweaks are actually supported right out of the box with this jailbreak. So I hope that gave you guys an idea of what is possible with the iOS 12 jailbreak nowadays. Again, if you guys missed it, there is a jailbreak now for iOS 12. We have an entire tutorial already created and dedicated to show you guys exactly how to jailbreak. Right now, only the iPhone 6s to the iPhone 10 is supported, as well as a few iPad models. Now, as a quick jailbreak update, why not? We'll go ahead and tell you guys the latest news. Right after publishing our tutorial video, Pwn has already tweeted out that he is starting work on A7 and A8 device support. So for those of you with an iPhone 5S or an iPhone 6, you will soon be getting a jailbreak. Again, A12 support is also coming, but that is likely to happen last. Granted, it's just amazing. Awesome work, Pwn. This works so well on A9 to A11 devices right now. And when it comes out for A12 devices, you guys can already expect a ton of tweaks to be updated and even more stuff that you can install right off the bat. So, just so you guys can see, this is the tweet regarding A7 and A8 support. Again, this is for the iPhone 5S and iPhone 6. They're currently addressing some issues, and support is going to be coming soon. So, the main reason for recording the second little part of this video at the very end, Pwn also tweeted out this saying, if you're having issues with loading tweaks, turn off reload system daemons for now. And to film this video, I actually had to do this. So if you're on the Unc0ver jailbreak, before you click either re-jailbreak, re-enable jailbreak, this is after you've rebooted your phone or something like that. If you go into the settings toggle on the very bottom, and it's actually a little bit lower right here where it says reload system daemons, it's that one right there. By default, it's checked on. You guys just want to check it off and deselect that option right there. Again, if you guys want to take note as well, this jailbreak utility is also setting our boot nonce to that right there, which is going to be very commonly used from now on for sh2 blobs. So this tool is just absolutely incredible. Basically, if you guys deselect the reload daemons option right there, then you are good to go. You can click re-jailbreak and your tweaks should actually work. So that is what Pwn is saying when he says if you're having issues with tweaks, turn that option off, and that's exactly how you do that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Definitely give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Definitely subscribe to stay updated with the latest iOS 12 jailbreaking news. There is going to be a bunch of stuff coming out very soon. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, but until next time, this is Tony, signing out.